Welcome. In this lesson, we will build a JavaScript function that extracts only unique characters from a string. This means we keep the first occurrences of each letter and remove any repeats. It is a great beginner-friendly example of how using string loops and conditionals. Let's dive right into the problem and see how we solve it. We're given a long string that may contain these letters. Our task is to return a version of that string that includes each letter only once. We want to preserve the order of the first appearances while filtering out duplicates. Let's look at how the code works. We look through each character in the input string. If the character has not been added yet, we append it to the result. The indexOf method checks whether the character already exists in the output. By the end of the loop, we built a string of only unique characters. This function works by scanning left to right throughout the string. For every character we check if it has already been added. If it hasn't, we include it in the final output string. This ensures that duplicates are filtered and order is preserved. In these examples, you can see how the function behaves with real input. For the second input, we just get ABC as output. For longer inputs, the logic stays the same, keeps only the first appearance. Now let's check out how this technique is used in real scenarios. This technique is useful when you need to sanitize or clean up a string input. Whether you're processing usernames or checking uniqueness, it is handy to remove duplicates. It also appears in many JavaScript coding exercises and entry-level interviews. Let's wrap it up with a final review. We've created a simple but powerful function to remove duplicate characters from a string. It is a great way to practice loops, string methods, and conditional logic. Try applying this to case-insensitive strings of different character sets. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.